Hey paper crafters, welcome to another Design with Jo video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I have another Jo Tips video for you, and it's one that is super quick. If you have a Stamparatus and you put your stamps on both sides of the plate, so just like I've done here, what I do is I put on a piece of masking tape on the different sides for the different colors. So you can't read that one, it's upside down, but this is Pear Pizzazz. So what it does is it reminds me that I need, as I'm stamping, to use this color so that if I get a little bit mixed up, because I might have 3 or 4 different ink pads going, it reminds me what color I need to put on there. So no more messes, I don't need to clean my stamps nearly as much, and I have less wasted paper. If you like this tip, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do post regularly and I like to share lots of different tips and tricks to help you with your paper crafting. And if you're not yet on my mailing list, jump over to www.designwithjo.ca and get yourself signed up. There's lots of tips and tricks and free card making ideas and all kinds of things to keep you up to date with what's going on in the paper crafting world. So thanks very much and have a great paper crafting day. Bye-bye.